In a bright and busy high school, two teenagers shared a friendship that everyone admired. Mia was quiet, kind, and loved reading books. Ayaan was cheerful, energetic, and always made people laugh. Even though they were very different, they understood each other perfectly. Every morning, they walked into school together, smiling and talking about their dreams, homework, and favorite subjects. Their friendship felt strong, warm, and unbreakable. Mia and Ayaan spent almost every day together. They shared lunch during breaks, helped each other study for exams, and supported one another whenever life became stressful. When Mia struggled in sports, Ayaan encouraged her. When Ayaan found math difficult, Mia patiently helped him understand every lesson. To them, friendship was not just about fun moments. It was about always being there for each other. One day, a new student named Zara joined their class. Zara was confident, stylish, and very smart. Within days, she became popular among the students. Soon, Ayaan started spending more time with Zara. They studied together, laughed together, and worked on school activities side by side. At first, Mia didn't mind, but slowly, she noticed something changing. Ayaan became so busy with his new friendship that he stopped noticing Mia's feelings. He no longer waited for her at the school gate. During lunch breaks, he sat with Zara instead. One afternoon, Mia stood quietly in the school garden while Ayaan and Zara laughed nearby. Ayaan didn't even notice her standing there. For the first time, Mia felt invisible. That evening, Mia sat quietly at her desk thinking about everything that had changed. She didn't want to fight or complain. Instead, she decided to express her feelings honestly. She picked up a pen and wrote a simple letter. Friendship is not about replacing someone. It is about remembering who stood by you first. After folding the letter carefully, Mia placed it inside Ayaan's notebook the next morning and when Ayaan opened his notebook and read the letter, his smile slowly disappeared. Suddenly, memories rushed into his mind. Every moment Mia had supported him, encouraged him, and stood beside him when no one else did. He realized he had hurt someone who truly cared about him. For the first time, Ayaan understood that real friendship should never be taken for granted. That evening, Ayaan went to Mia's house. He looked nervous and ashamed. "I'm sorry," he said softly. "I never meant to hurt you. I forgot how important our friendship is." Mia looked at him quietly before smiling gently. "True friends don't replace each other," she said. "They just need honesty and understanding." Ayaan promised that he would never ignore her feelings. From that day forward, things slowly changed. Ayaan balanced his friendships more carefully, and Mia once again felt valued and respected. Zara also understood their bond and became friends with both of them. Their friendship grew even stronger because they learned something important. Misunderstandings can happen, but honesty and kindness can heal them. And in the end, they discovered that true friendship is not about who is newest or most popular. It is about who stays by your side no matter what. And the moral of the story is, true friendship is built on trust, loyalty, and understanding. Real friends never replace each other. They support one another through every change in life.